Hello everybody, welcome back to today's episode of Drunken Sailor. It's getting close to what I hate to say, the end of summer. Up here in New York State, we kind of signal that with the beginning of the state fair, and today is the first day. We need to find a way to commiserate, so what we're going to do is we're going to make a great summer cocktail, but it's kind of got the dark liquor in it to go to the cooler weather that's coming up. So, before we start, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment, hit the like button. So let's get pouring. It's going to be another cocktail we're making in the glass. So today we're going to use a rocks glass, and we're going to fill it about 3/4 of the way with crushed ice. Our first liquor that's going in there, we are going to use Knob Creek, and we are going to put 1.5 ounces of bourbon in there. Next, we are going to use 1/2 ounce of Cointreau. Once again, this is an orange flavored liqueur. That's going in there. Pretty orange forward drink, because the next thing that's going in there is 1.5 ounces of freshly squeezed orange juice, and you know it's all fresh because fresh is best. 1.5 ounces goes in. Next, we are almost done here. We are going to top with some soda. We're using Sprite today. That's going in there. We're going to give it a real quick stir. And last but not least, to add a little bit of color in there, we're taking some homemade Grenadine. Put about 1/2 ounce of that in there. That's going to give us some nice contrast on the bottom. And last but not least is a fresh garnish, and that garnish is an orange. And that is today's cocktail, the Bourbon Crush.
I like bourbon.
You
I like bourbon.
Well, that happens to be bourbon.
Give it a shot here. Very refreshing. That's yummy.
What did you?
Good. It's refreshing.
Refreshing. That's very refreshing. Thanks for joining us, folks.